At their recent Go Get product event, Uber announced something really interesting. As a customer, you can now book a hotel right inside the app. And when I first saw that, my honest reaction was that this was bound to happen. They've partnered with Expedia for this, which means that as a customer, now you get access to more than 700,000 hotels. Just think about that for a second. 700,000 hotels on an app that people use every single day. And this is not the first time when a non-travel company is trying to get into the travel segment. Companies like JP Morgan Chase, American Express have been trying to do this for years. Because at one point they thought that why should we send our customers outside our ecosystem? So they built products around air ticketing, hotel reservations, credit card point redemption schemes so that their customers get a better experience with the hope that they would be able to retain them. And we can see something similar happening in India as well, where we see a lot of non-travel companies getting into this space. Companies like Swiggy, Cred, HDFC Bank, financial institution, e-commerce companies, everyone is getting into this space. But if you think about it, why is this happening? Number one reason, travel is not a small transaction business. People spend few thousands to lakhs over the next few days, which is a meaningful spend for these companies. Number two is customer retention. So whenever a customer books a trip through this app and has a good experience on ground, there are high chances that they would come back on the application and spend more money either on travel products or on other products on the app. Third reason is utilizing the existing customer base. By adding more travel products on the application, these companies focus at utilizing the existing customer base by making sure that they spend more on the application rather than these companies trying to acquire new customers by spending more money. Number four reason is high margin products. Unlike cab services and food delivery services, travel products provide these companies with an opportunity to charge their customers at a higher margin. For example, hotel bookings can be charged up to 15%, whereas entire packages can be charged upwards of 25%, and this is not the kind of money they make on each food delivery or cab service, which makes this segment a lucrative opportunity for them to get on board. And if you are someone who loves to travel and wants to understand how it really works, follow Hospitality Unfiltered for more such insights from the world of travel.